What's up guys, it's Tracker707 and today I have a lot of cards here to do an opening. I've just collected these over a while. These two are sealed. This one's not sealed because I split the cards in this with Automatic Gamer. But we are gonna open these all up and we're gonna get started. Alright guys, we got these all opened up and just gonna start with a 151. I have the most of those. So I'm just gonna kind of slowly tear away at these. Oh, I love not being able to open the packs. Why can't I open these? It's a code card. Lightning Energy, Slowpoke, Magmar, Horsey, Abra, Grappler, Kingler. That's kind of a cool Ditto. Look at him. Electrode. Gonna go for it. This is my first time opening a Paradox Rift, so I wonder if I'm gonna get anything good. If you guys want to see more openings like this, let me know down in the comments. Ooh, that's cool. Future cards. Ooh, Dottler. Is this... I think that's an alt art, yeah. Or illustration rare. Ooh, that's kind of cool too. The holo looks really cool on here. This is an illustration?
Or Trina Gallery, I can't see which of it is.
It's Paradox Rift.
That's an illustration card.
I'm here with Automatic Gamer here, by the way. I'll leave his link down in the description if you guys want to go check him out. Let me put a sleeve on this. Very just clear sleeves. Do you have any more clear sleeves?
Yes.
Where? Oh, they were hiding. There we go. Okay. There we go. I'll put him back here for now. And I guess we'll just go in order for a second. I'll open up a Pokemon Go here. It's weird seeing the yellow border after all this time. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I forgot the card trick. That's funny. I'm so used to Scarlet Violet, but here's him. That's a cool art. I completely forgot that the card trick was 4 instead of just 1. I'll do one of my Obsidian Flames really quick too. Then I'm probably gonna knock out some of those 151 real quick. Bounsweet, Vulpix, Darmanitan, Dartrix, Frogadier, Crabrawler, Tadbulb, Thundurus. That was Obsidian. I'm trying to make little separate piles for each of these. Okay, I'm just gonna knock out some 151. I have the most of those. I think in total we had 8, 5, 13, 17. I think like 20-ish cards. These cards feel so much nicer quality. They're like thicker. Ekans, Cubone, Ammonite, Tauros, Kadabra, Farfetch'd, Magneton, and Marowak. Nothing crazy yet, except for that Dottler back there, so nothing crazy yet. There we go. I just gotta get into the rhythm of opening these, I guess. Water Energy, Charmander, Spearow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Ivysaur, Love, Machoke, Farfetch'd, Jigglypuff. Oh, Venusaur EX. Alright, second pull. Sleeve that up. Put that back there. Just do another. Let's go for it. Psychic Energy, Kakuna, Poliwag, Ponyta, Pikachu, Clefable, Dugtrio, Haunter. I love these Haunter cards. I think the art is really cool on them. Muck, Venonat, Omastar. Did I only get one holo there? Is there only one holo in 151? Am I stupid? Maybe. Probably. Alright, I'm just gonna go for another. I'm curious. I thought the new... Ooh! I got the Sparkly Dark Energy. Sparkly Hollow. That's kind of cool. Set that one to the side for a second. Pidgey, Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Eradicate, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Snorlax. So yeah, this one has 2. The last one only had 1. Oh, Mewtwo. That's a cool Mewtwo. He almost looks like the one out of the Detective Pikachu, like live action, I think. But here's that. I think all of these I've gotten before, except for that Dottler. All my pulls. So hopefully we get something new in here. This is like not a little bit of amount of money of cards we're opening, so hopefully I get something. I'm gonna go with another Paradox Rift. Gonna try to split it up where it's pretty even. Electric Energy, Whimsir, Doublade, Surskit, Magby, Orbeetle. I love the art in this set too. Cloth, Luxurious Cape, Purloin, Norman, and Garganical. Yeah, all the sets for the Scarlet and Violet have been really cool. I've liked pretty much all of them so far. Okay, so I have 3, 3, and 1. So I'll go with another Pokemon Go. The packs are so much thinner on the Go ones after they switched to the non-yellow borders. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, but like, just the quality in general has gone up so much. Like, holding them side by side. Oh, that's kind of cool. He's wearing a hat. Oh, and I got the Blastoise. Goes with my Venusaur here. Maybe I'll pull the Charizard. That'd be kind of cool. On packs. 3, 2, 3. I'll do another one of these. Electric Energy, Tangela, Coughing, Psyduck, Ekans, Snorlax, Sandslash, Nidorino, Butterfree, Old Amber, and Weezing. I better get something good in here somewhere. Shoot. I have no. Oh, there they are. Okay. There we go. And I'm just gonna do one more from 151. I'm gonna make it so I have one of each pack left before I go for the final ones here. Good card. Water Energy, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Cloyster, Grabber, Kingler, Goldeen, Execute. Ooh, Arbok EX. That's pretty cool. I don't think I have one of these yet. I think I've said this in other videos, but I love the new holo effects. You can like all this like sparkles coming from it. Really cool in my opinion. Throw him back there. Now I'll do 2 more Paradox Rift. Turn the code card. Fire Energy, Flamigo, Porygon, Oricorio, Toedscool, Cyclizar, Simisear, Crobat, Porygon, Fuecoco. Oh, he's under the leaf. That's cool. And Latios. I like how he was under a leaf. It reminds me of in the anime when Ash finds the Charmander. Isn't he under a leaf, or is he just sitting on a rock? I cannot remember. It's one of the two. Alright. Second to last Paradox Rift. Code. God. Dark Energy, Tandemaus, Toedscool, Toxel, Spinda, Gourgeist, and just press this out as Vitality, Tatsugiri, Wimpod, Natu, and Aegislash EX. That's a pretty cool card. All of these arts from the new sets have been just, all of them have been great. Like specifically the Gengar and the the Gengar line, Ghastly, Haunter, and Gengar. Do one more Pokemon Go. Those arts, they look like they're out of like paintings. I think they're awesome. Check that real quick. Turtle, Ambipom, Natu, Slowpoke, Bibarel with the Smeargle. I love this card. Smeargle's like my favorite Pokemon. Pikachu, Spinarak. Oh, I did the card trick wrong again. Oh, what? They're stuck. Where's my rare? Oh, Dragonite V-Star. That's cool. Why was it? That's weird. It was sticky. Interesting. It's gonna be funny if I make that a short. Okay. That's cool. That's weird how it was sticky. I was like, where's my rare? Okay. That's a cool card. I'm a little concerned why it was sticky though. I don't think I've ever got like a sticky card. But there we go. It's nice. Finally getting some pulls. Alright, now that I have one left of each pack, I'm gonna have to just get this all sorted later. They're all just falling everywhere. Okay. One left of each. I'll end off with the Obsidian Flames. Let's just go in order here. Last 151. Hopefully I get a good pull out of here that I haven't got before. This pack, I know like they've made it purposely where it's hard to tell by weight, but this one feels heavy. I think we got something here. Here's the code. Dark Energy. Cubone. Vulpix. Magnemite. Caterpie. Golduck. Pinsir. Bill's Transfer. Psyduck. Charmander. That's sick. I'm glad I got that. Did I get the... And Starmie. Oh, I thought I had like a God Pack for a second. That's a nice Charmander. I'm glad I got this. I saw when we were shopping earlier, somebody had the Charizard for sale, and I was like, oh, that's such a cool card. It scared me for a second. I thought I had a God Pack. That's a nice card. Okay, I'll throw you right there. Alright, Paradox Rift time. Code. Psychic Energy. Pansage. Mantype. Gabite. Minun. Masquerain. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. I like how like shows it like eroding. Orthworm. He's so happy. I love him. Yveltal. Lowkicks. Milotic. I'm not good. Huh. Maybe I'm crazy, but I feel like these packs have been a little messed up. Last Pokemon Go pack here. Okay, then one. These are sticky too. That's so weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't like how these are sticky. Water, Lunatone, Candy, Unpheasant, Apom, Charm. Yeah, see? All three of these. Charmander, Eevee, Numel, they're all stuck together. Lunatone. Oh, Charizard. Oh, is this Lunatone? Yeah, no, that was it. It's Charizard. Holo Charizard. It's pretty cool. Oh, I got all of them! Oh, that's sick. I got all three. I got the Venusaur, Blastoise, and Charizard. That's cool. Yeah. That's sick. Those are just normal holos and stuff, but still. Alright, and last but not least, Obsidian Flames. See if I get anything good out of this. Maybe. We'll see. Ooh, I didn't like that. Is that dirt? No. It looked like the code card was dirty. It was just the design, but that's funny. Alright. Last pack. Let's see if we can get something. Fire Energy, Litwick, Young Goose, Charmander, Dratini, Patrol Cap, Bellossom, Pokemon League Headquarters, Slandit. Ooh, let's go. A Altart, Pidgeotto, and Palafin. I just threw that card on the ground. Anyways, that's a cool Pidgeotto. That's sick. Alrighty. We got a fair amount of things. I don't know if we did for the amount of packs we opened. Actually, no, that's a pretty fair amount. We got the Pidgeotto, Aegislash. I don't remember what set these are from already. I'm gonna have to relook in a second. Got Dottler, Altart, the Charmander, Altart illustration, where it's one of those. We got this repeat Venusaur, the repeat Dark Energy, Dragonite V-Star, and Arbok EX. Probably, either Dragonite or Charmander here is probably my favorite pulls from this. I don't know which one's the most expensive. Probably one of those two, honestly, but yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. This is probably not going to air on the day, and I'm probably going to make a separate video, but and I think 3 days from recording this, it's going to be my 1-year channel anniversary, so thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and liking my videos, and hopefully we have a good next year. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.